What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be talking about the individual lashes. So it is so important that whenever you have individual lashes that you definitely take care of your face, you definitely take care of your skin, and you definitely clean your lashes perfectly. So whenever I have my individual lashes on, this is my skincare routine to make sure all of that is done correctly. So if you want to see exactly how I do it, go ahead and stay tuned, guys.
I need the strength to pull me out from the rubble.
Alright, so starting off, the first thing we want to do is make sure we take that makeup off. And what I use is the Clean It Zero by Banila, and this stuff is amazing. What I do is I try to avoid my eye area because it is an oil. So I just apply this all over my face, avoid the eye area, and massage it in. This stuff, I'm telling you, it lifts makeup like it's nothing. It's so easy to use. You just apply it on there just like I'm doing now. It actually comes out in a white kind of creamy kind of texture, but it isn't oil. You place it all over your face, and all you do is just rub it in, and you start to see the makeup lift up off of your skin so easily. It's amazing. Like, this stuff is just, it's the bee's knees, guys. So the next thing I'm doing is getting a washcloth, putting in some lukewarm water, and just wiping this all off of my face. I'm taking all the makeup, everything, all the gunk and all that stuff off of my face. I'm avoiding my eyes because the lashes was applied that day, and you cannot touch any type of water, oils, mascara, anything on your lashes until they cure properly. So it takes, I think, about 48 hours. So this is the method that I use whenever I want to wear makeup and still, you know, rock these lashes. So next up, I gotta cleanse my face. Make sure I get that deep cleanse in there. So now what I'm gonna use is this is the Neogen's Dermatology Real Fresh Foam Cereal. It's a mouthful, I'm telling you. But this stuff is really, really good. It feels lightweight, and it's great for sensitive skin. I don't have sensitive skin. I think my skin can go through anything, but I definitely love to put sensitive products on there because I don't want to add too much harshness or whatever. But what I do is I take this and I apply it as close to under my eye as possible, just to get rid of majority of that eye makeup, like the foundation that's underneath my eye. And then what I want to do is definitely clean those pores. So what I do is I use my Vanity Planet spin brush, and this stuff, oh my gosh, this cleans your pores like it isn't anything. If you guys don't know about the Vanity Planet, you are behind times. I use this all the time when I use makeup because I want to make sure that my pores are clean. So I go ahead and I use that all over my face just to take everything off. Now what I do is I go back and I use the same washcloth, lukewarm water, and I just wipe all of the product off, avoiding those lashes. So I'm wiping all around the lashes, above my eyelashes, so I'm not causing any type of strain or anything on the lashes. So the next thing that I do is I go back with the cleanser, and I'm using a makeup brush. You can use any type of makeup brush that you want to, just something soft, and I apply just a little bit of that product onto the brush, and now I'm going to focus on cleaning those lashes. You have to clean your eyelashes, ladies, please. I've seen some horror stories of women not cleaning the lashes, and it becomes infected, it becomes nasty, and it's just gross. So I use that same cleanser, clean my lashes every single day before I go to bed, and this would alleviate the problem. So I do this on both eyes, and I'm just making sure that, you know, all the extra gunk, debris throughout the day, everything is taking off, you know. Then I go in and I use the same washcloth, and all I'm doing is patting the lashes just to take off the excess cleanser. That's all. So then I go in with a little bit more of the cleanser on a Q-tip and try and clean as close to my lash line as possible, because I want to make sure that there isn't any other gunk, there isn't any other dirt or debris or whatever around my eyes. And this is something that I think everyone should be doing. Do this to both of your eyes. Next, I take a nice little spoolie and these spoolies are disposable. You could get them really cheap, or you could just go to Sephora or whatever and kind of just take the ones that they have. But no, you can get them real cheap, like $1 for like 100 of these or whatever. And all I do is I just comb through my eyelashes with the spoolie, and this is just because the actual lashes are a little bit wet. I am just, you know, combing them through, airing them out a little bit, and that's pretty much it for the lashes. Now we're going to go to my face, and what I'm using is a skin toner. This is the Aloe BH Skin Toner by Benton. This stuff is really, really nice. It's smooth and it actually helps bring back the pH balance to your face. And honestly, like, this product seemed to be a little bit lightening my face as well, or lightening my skin. I have a little dot on the side, and that seemed to get a little bit lighter as I was using this product. So next, what I'm doing is I'm applying this product. It's by Benton. It's called the Aloe Soothing Gel, and this stuff is really, really nice, smooth. It's very, very hydrating. Even though I have oily skin, I like to use a hydrating product when I go to bed because it kind of brings back a little bit of that moisture back into my face, and this stuff is great. Now, sometimes when my face needs it, I like to use an overnight mask, and I like this mask. This is the Ultimate Nourishing Rice Mask by Cosrx, I believe. And this mask is really, really great. Now, since in this video I was in Germany during the time, my face started to get really dried out and everything. So adding these moisture products help my face just be more rejuvenized, a little bit more luxurious and moisturized. And I love this product for it. So guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. All of the products that I use is going to be listed down below, and please guys, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks again guys for watching. Bye.
I need the strength to pull